So let's start with an overview of the cloud editor. So as you can see, I have loaded one of the documents that I've already uploaded on Trinka My Drive, and it is open with the document text. It is a manuscript, as you can see. On the left hand side, this is what we call as a document editor. And on the right hand side, you have the alert panel with all the changes that Trinka is suggesting that you do. And a quick overview of the other menus. So on the top, we have the main menu with various options to manage your documents, including file upload feature or download feature and academic style guides and like several, including ACS, AMA, IEEE, AGU, APA, etc. This is for academic. There are some other style guides for general and legal, as well as inclusive language categories. So this is where you can disable them. On the left hand side, what we call as the left, let's say, menu, we have quick shortcuts for My Drive, proofread file, and some other checks. And you have some basic text formatting in the formatting menu right over here, just like how you would expect to find on any word processor. And over toward the right, which is the highlight of the Trinka Cloud Editor, is the alert panel. And on top, you can select the mode. So there are two modes available as of the recording today. So the first mode is power mode. It is for grammar, spelling correction, as well as language enhancement, and the light mode, which is only for essential grammar and spelling correction. So by default, you have the power mode enabled, and you have options to select your language between English, German, and Spanish. And you also have the alert filter, which I'll take you through in detail. On the right hand menu bar, you can see some buttons like the grammar checker button, which is by default selected. Then the paraphraser button immediately below that, consistency check, publication checks, plagiarism checks, citation checker, and journal finder. And quickly, you can also change your file name if you wish to at the bottom left here, as well as you can set a different language between American English and British English. So that brings us to the quick overview of the layout of the cloud editor. Now on to the next part. So I forgot to inform you that you can go back to My Drive by clicking this My Drive button. And you can also upload a new file by using the upload file feature, which allows you to upload a file from the device, OneDrive or Dropbox or Google Drive. And we will also take you through in detail how you can interact with the editor in the next parts.